Today I'll be looking at this problem. Solve y plus 2 over 10 equals x minus 4 over 5, and y minus 4 over 5 equals negative x minus 3 over 10. This looks like it's kind of hard to get started, but what I would start by doing is just thinking of maybe just try to condense some things down. Like I'm looking at this first equation, y plus 2 over 10 equal to x minus 4 over 5, and I'm thinking about like, let's just try to multiply by 10 or cross multiply, just try to condense things down and see, do I get some sort of statement where I get y is equal to something nice or x is equal to something nice where I can then substitute into here. That's my starting point. And maybe that's not the best possible route to go, but it's a route and it's somewhere to at least start by checking to see, well, what can we do here? So let's do that. I'm just going to start. So I'm going to do 5 times y plus 2 equals 10 times x minus 4. And you know what? That's making it a little bit too complicated. Let's just multiply by 10. Both sides by 10. Because in that way, the 10 and 5 will wipe out. So 10's cancel out here. So that just leaves us with y plus 2 equals. And then here, 10 divided by 5 is 2. So then all we have to do is 2 times x minus 4. Rather than doing 5 times y plus 2, 10 times x minus 4. You could do that. Nothing wrong with that. But you'd be just creating a little bit extra work. I'm going to distribute the 2. So y plus 2 equals 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. It's looking like I was saying, you want to see if you just get to a spot where things are falling into place. And right now they are. Because I could just subtract 2 from both sides. So now I have y is equal to 2x minus 10. So I get the statement saying y is equal to 2x minus 10. I think my most straightforward route then is to substitute in to here, substitute in that y. And before I do that, let's condense that down a little bit because I can do the same thing. I can multiply both sides by 10 on this one because I have that 10. So 10 divided by 5, so 10 and 5. 5 is going to be 1. This is going to turn to 2. So then I have 2 times y minus 4 equals, 10s are going to cancel, negative x minus 3. Keep working it down because I don't see any harm in just working it down as much as possible. 2 times y is 2y. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 equals negative x minus 3. Now, I guess our only route is to just substitute. Now, you could add over the 8 to negative 3, but not really anything that absolutely has to happen right now. So let's just substitute in the y. So I'm taking 2x minus 10, and I'm substituting in for y right here. So 2 times 2x minus 10 minus 8 equals negative x minus 3. I'm going to distribute the 2. Now I'm just solving for x. So 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times negative 10 is negative 20. Minus 8 equals negative x minus 3. I see some like terms right here. Negative 20 minus 8. So I'm going to have 4x minus 28 equals negative x minus 3. And just keep working through it. I can add the x over to both sides because I want to get all the x's on one side, everything else on the other. I'm going to go over here, kind of working off the side there. So x plus 4x is going to be 5x minus 28 equals negative 3. Now my only route is to add 28 over, giving me 5x equals negative 3 plus 28 is 28 minus 3, which is 25. Divide by 5, x equals 5. Cool. All right, that's working out. I have my x value now. Now all I have to do is substitute into here to get my y value. So y is equal to 2 times the x value of 5 minus 10, giving us an answer of 2 times 5 is 10, minus 10 is 0, so y is equal to 0. The ordered pair solution then would be 5, 0, the x and our y. So that's the route I went with. You can do plenty of different routes, I think, but I was just noticing that, well, I had a LCD of 10, or you could cross multiply, but I noticed the 10 here, so it just makes the numbers a little bit easier to work with. That would change it to 2 times x minus 4. But you could cross multiply where you do 5 times y plus 2, 10 times x minus 4. You just have to condense a little bit more. Not difficult, but you just have a little bit bigger numbers, and you would eventually get down to the same exact spot that I did. Substitute, same thing happens, and you end up getting the solution of 5, 0.